Let's cross now to Rome to speak to correspondent Seema Gupta. Seema, what do we know at this point? What did actually President Biden and Pope Francis end up talking about?
Well, it was a meeting of the two most high-profile Catholics in the world, Pope Francis, of course, and the U.S. president. Now, we understand that officially they were supposed to discuss things such as the COVID-19 pandemic, access to vaccines, as well as poverty and climate change. Of course, the environment and protection of the environment, a key issue for this pontiff. Now, the Pope and President Biden have met before in the past, but this is the first time that Mr. Biden is meeting him as President of the United States. And of course, Catholicism, a key factor for this president. He's the second Catholic president in the United States after John F. Kennedy. And as we know, he frequently goes to Catholic Mass. And there's even a photo of Pope Francis in the Oval Office behind him. So clearly, these two are on the same page on a variety of issues. However, the meeting also comes against a backdrop in which the U.S. bishops are at odds with the president, particularly over his support of abortion rights and same-sex marriage. And in fact, the bishops have been calling for him to be denied the communion, a key sacrament for Catholics. So it's expected that maybe this will be the backdrop of the meeting, but the two are really to focus on the issue of the environment, of course, coming this G20 summit here in Rome, coming just before the COP26 or the UN Climate Summit in Glasgow.
And as you mentioned there, the focus now switching not only to COP26, but also to the G20 meeting for the first time in person in 2 years due to the pandemic. Of course, it's also going to be the first time that President Biden meets President Macron, and this as Paris is still very angry over that secret American-British submarine deal with Australia.
Yes, indeed. I mean, these world leaders gather, but all eyes also on key bilateral meetings. And this one between the U.S. president and his French counterpart, clearly an important one. France furious 6 weeks ago over that what they view as a sabotage of the submarine deal, Australia acquiring U.S. submarine technology and scrapping that lucrative deal that they had with France. Now, this was part of a security pact that Australia made with the United States and the United Kingdom. Now, France, of course, furious about losing that deal, but also angry about the way in which they found out. It seemed that like there was secret negotiations to secure that deal. And so now this meeting face-to-face after two phone calls, this is really a way to mend the rift, to smoothen out the ties between these two countries. Of course, France, a major ally for the United States. What it is believed that will come out of this key meeting is perhaps more support from the United States in terms of counter-terrorism measures that France is conducting in the Sahel, as well as perhaps a European military force and support from the United States for this idea that the French have put forward to come up with a separate but complementary force to the NATO alliance.
Seema Gupta reporting there for us in Rome. Thank you. Now,